Alright, show us what you got. Yeah? What's that? Hold your breath.
There you go.
Do you want a spoonful of sugar? You need... What else did they say? Maybe Grandpa should scare the hiccups out of you. Oh no, that's not a good idea.
Because your belly's showing.
Oh, the big yawn. Oh. Grandpa, why are you scaring me?
He's scaring you.
What's your problem?
Yeah.
Hiccups are the worst. Oh.
Tell him to go away.
They never stop, and Grandpa's not even helping me by burping me or nothing.